No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is unknown. I will use Inception as a broad first probe with known year, rating, genres, cast, and director. I am accepting the cookie banner, selecting the search results from the dropdown, then clicking the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is green. Guessed medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther with arrow up, meaning target is newer than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, meaning target rating is lower than 8.8 but likely at least 8.3. Genre overlaps are action and adventure. Sci-fi is not on target. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap, and director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie newer than 2010, rating about 8.3 to 8.7, includes action and adventure but not sci-fi, and does not include the listed Inception cast or Christopher Nolan. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target medium equals movie. Inception says the target is newer than 2010, rating lower than 8.8 but within 0.5, and shares action and adventure while not sharing sci-fi, Nolan, or the listed cast. I will try Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse because it is a newer high-rated action and adventure movie without relying on Nolan or Inception actors, and it contests animation in 2018. Type card is green. Guessed medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther with arrow up, meaning the target is newer than 2018. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, meaning the target rating is lower than Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse but close. Overlapping genres are action and adventure. Animation is gray and not on target. Actor Shamik Moore, Jake Johnson, and Haley Steinfeld show no overlap, and directors Bob Persichetti and Peter Ramsey show no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie from 2021 or later, likely rated slightly below 8.4 but near it, as action and adventure, does not have sci-fi or animation, and avoids the listed Spider-Verse cast and directors. Avoid repeating Inception in Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target medium equals movie. The latest row shows year 2018 with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2018, and rating 8.4 with arrow up, so the target is higher rated than Spider-Verse. Action and adventure overlap while animation does not. Prior Inception feedback also ruled out its cast and director and suggested no sci-fi, but the strongest high-rated post-2018 action and adventure candidate is Dune, Part 2, so I will test it now and submit via the guess button. Nice, we solved it in 3 guesses. The answer was Dune, Part 2. The key clues were that the target was a movie, newer than 2018, with action and adventure matching, plus a close rating that landed on 2024 and an 8.5.